Thunder! Although there's nothing much. I don't care what you saw. Well, what the hell is that? Oh shoot. Alright, so I was playing with my balls. I was like playing with these, but I didn't catch the lightning. So yeah, I don't even care what you see. Well, these, yeah, you can't hurt me, so. If I show someone's address, you can't hurt me. You can't hurt me. It's not mine, but. Whoa. I gotta get down here. This is the best view. So this is when I get to watch the severe thunderstorm. Ow, shit. Stupid damn gnats, whatever the hell you are. So yeah, this is the best spot. Hey, someone's farting. Ah, stupid gnat. Got my eye. Hate this gnat. Got my fucking ass eye. Damn it. What's that in there? It looks like a red light. Oh, it's just a red light. So yeah. Oh, that's just good. Well, I guess it's like the first one to say I wasn't a fetch. Yeah, I know I'm not. You already see me catch like 2 or 3 of those, so. I'm not gonna keep giving you updates on it. One, get this. I mean, I didn't want to do it because I like to hear it at complete volume. Because locations and pack didn't include. That's what I like. Roger. Peace, that's hail and 60 miles an hour wind. And I do not really know what the hell. Oh God, I want to be room 20. Woo! Well, I know that some people are out, but it's not that bad on the inside. But if it's not this bad out here, thunder and little lightning is not hurting me. I don't care what the fucking Weather Channel says. Oh, thunder was headed indoors. But when it's downpouring, you head indoors. But this is not that bad. So yeah. Vision pass. I feel like that's what you don't need to know. Da dee dee da. Let me play some music out here, so I can run the hell out of people.